Some TPT products generate a sale, and then the buyer disappears. No repeat purchases, no additional movement, no long-term relationship. Just one sale and done. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've generated over $1.7 million selling on TPT. And over time, I started realizing that isolated sales create a very different business than connected buyer relationships. A lot of TPT products operate almost completely alone. A teacher finds the resource, buys it, uses it, and never returns. That creates isolated growth. But strong TPT businesses usually create more connected buyer movement. One product usually leads to another. Teachers discover additional resources. Trust increases. The store feels connected. That creates repeat buyers instead of isolated transactions. And over time, that difference becomes extremely important because sustainable growth usually comes from stronger relationships inside the store, not simply more random sales. This became much clearer as my own business grew because I noticed certain products consistently brought buyers back. Others mostly created single purchases, isolated buyers, and disconnected growth. That completely changed how I thought about product strategy because eventually I realized the strongest products usually supported the rest of the store more intentionally. A product can generate sales without actually strengthening the store long term. That distinction matters much more than TPT sellers realize. A lot of TPT stores struggle with inconsistent growth because products are operating independently instead of strategically supporting buyer movement. If your store feels inconsistent or difficult to grow, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder linked below. It will help you identify what is actually limiting your store so that you can make clearer strategic decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT stores feel much easier to buy from than others and how buyer friction quietly impacts growth. I will see you in the next video.